with her performance. So can we please have a round of applause for Tiara?
Good morning everyone, my name is Tiara. Today I'm going to be talking about my 6th birthday. So I woke up between 6 to 7. I brushed my teeth and I ate my breakfast. Then I got ready to go to Funky Monkey. The theme was My Little Pony. And then once I got ready, we went to Funky Monkey. And one of my classmates were already there, we were talking. And then after some time, more of my classmates came. And then, once more of my classmates came, we played like all the slides and the trampolines and the rock wall for like 1 hour or so. And then, my family and my friends sang happy birthday to me. And then I cut the cake and we ate like some food like pasta and pizza. All my friends ate some slices of the cake. And after that, we had a little more time, having fun. Then I got the gifts, the presents, like the birthday presents. Then after that, actually, I gave the return gifts to all my friends. Once all my friends left, then I was the last one to leave. So when all my friends left after the return gifts, then I left. Thank you for listening.
Kids have. We call it their public speaking superpower in class. So for Tiara, she's very graceful with her speeches. She's a very calm person. Every time she delivers a speech, she has a really good stage presence where she's calm and she's composed. So that's her public speaking superpower. And Tiara, this is for you.
Wow.